Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Nick from Dallas. So I wanted to show you some results from our amazing trading robot, Athena. That is one of our flagship products here at Economy, and it's done some absolutely phenomenal stats over the last year. And the reason why I wanted to show you this is because there are people that reach out to me and they say, "Hey, Nick, I would love to get involved in trading, but it's just so hard because, my day job and being able to take care of the kids, this, that, and the other. It's like I want to be a part of trading. Is there a way that I can be a part of trading without actually having to do the trading? It's like, yeah, there absolutely is. There are what we call expert advisors, and we have one of the best expert advisors in the world. I've been testing robots probably for the past couple of years, and I've never seen one this phenomenal, this consistent with the results that it gets. So I just wanted to show you some of our results in our trading group. Now, this trading group is ran by my upline. Now, he is in Sweden, so some of the posts you'll see will be in Swedish, but I'm going to find you some results that you can really take a look at. So if you look over here, so for example, Ollie, one of the great leaders in our company, he's been running this account since November 2020, never taken a single manual trade. Why is that important? Okay, because as leaders in this company, we want to make sure that we have an account that shows the true numbers of what the robot can do on its own. The reason why I say that is there are some people that are students and they're not builders and they just want to trade. So what they do is they end up trading on their robot account. So they'll be taking manual trades while the robot is trading as well. And what that does is it kind of feeds the robot. They call it a boosting strategy. So within our company, we have trade signals as well. We have a trade scanner. So there's plenty of places where you can get some good manual trades from. And they trade that on the same account in order to, get the account to grow faster because you're basically feeding the robot more money. The more money the robot has, the bigger the lot size it has, the more money you can make. However, as a leader and as a builder, as myself and Ollie are, we want to make sure that our account is just the robot by itself. Yes, there's things on the robot that we can fiddle with, turn up the intensity, turn down the intensity, risk management settings. But the fact of the matter is, it's the robot that's trading. There's no manual trades coming from us. So, as Ollie said, I've been running this account since November 2020. I've never taken a single manual trade. To be clear, I have used two EAs on this account. The first one I used through 2021 required a lot of management, meaning I had to tweak the settings. Since switching to Athena, the second EA, the start of the year, it has been an entirely different story. I haven't had to change the settings at all. This is true automated trading. So that's what I wanted to show you. It's going to be kind of hard to see this image. Well, let me see. Yeah, 491% gain. That's absolutely phenomenal. His deposit was 2,000, and he's been able to build that all the way up to 9,500 pounds. So that's good. And for those of you that know your currency exchanges, pounds are typically stronger than the US dollar. So imagine how much that is in dollars. Let's see what Jimmy has done. Jimmy has done 105% as well. So, obviously these percentages are going to be pretty off the charts, and you're going to be like, wow, it's like, is that good? Because he made 400, he made 100. Whatever the case may be, look at the money that you have in the bank, in your savings account. What percent is it making you? Nothing. The banks are not paying nothing right now. In most cases, you're actually losing money because of two reasons. Number one, inflation. And number two, you might have bank service fees. So let's just say that, you have $1,000 in your savings account doing nothing. And maybe over the course of the year, I don't know, you made $2, $3, $4, $5, whatever the case may be. Maybe you made $10, but maybe your monthly service fee on that account is $5. So did you really make any money? No. And the way that we're in like this borderline hyperinflation right now, it's not. Now with Athena does really well on a conservative side. If you just leave the very basic conservative settings alone, probably going to make about 5 to 10% a month, right? Still very, very good money because you're not going to make that anywhere else. So you have to ask yourself, do I really want to have thousands of dollars sitting in the bank doing nothing? Or would I like to take a chance, put it in this robot and make some money on my money, right? That's a decision you have to make because it's based on what your risk tolerance is as a person, right? What can you take? But let me just move over here to mine and I'll come back and show you some more testimonials. So let me see later. What are they? Okay. So when I started this in February, first of all, just so people understand, Athena is not available in the United States. This is something that's available overseas. But as a marketer for this company, I still wanted to have a demo account so I could actually show people what the robot actually does, right? So I was provided a demo account from the company. So I had been trading since February. Now, if you see February like 10th, that's when I started. For about February 14th, I've probably on Valentine's Day. That's when I started this account, okay? And I started with a $10,000 deposit. Right now, at the beginning stages, I didn't mess around with the risk management settings. I left everything on default. Honestly, I didn't know any better. I didn't even know that you could tweak with the settings until much later. So what happened was, when I came into this group and I started seeing all the numbers that other people are doing, I was like, wait a second, people are getting huge numbers. Look at that, 163%. Let's see, who else do we got? Got a lot of stuff in this group. So that's Minara. Go down here. Actually, if I just go to the images, it would be quicker, but hang on, what you got? 57%, even that's great. That's probably maybe lower settings, but it's amazing. Look at that, 99%. So anyways, the point is that when I saw those numbers, I started reaching out to some of my upline. I was like, wait a second. It's like, I'm not getting the same numbers. It's like, well, what do you have your scale factor on? It's like, I don't even know what a scale factor is. It's like, well, your default settings is your normal lot size. Now, if you want, you can risk 200% instead of 100%. 100% would be a normal lot size. 200% would be double the lot size. 150%, somewhere in the middle, 1.5 times the lot size. So I said, oh, okay, well, cool. So I can't remember exactly when it was, maybe somewhere around here. Let's see. I think maybe July, August, but whatever. You'll start seeing this big bump because I bumped up my risk management settings and all of a sudden, 50, 60, 70, 80, right? So we're at 80%, 85% return on the year. So I started with 10,000, right? The balance is now 18,576. So really, really phenomenal stats that this robot is putting up. Like I said, if you want more information on it, definitely, get a hold of me, be willing to talk to you. Now, this is just one of many products. We also have an amazing trade scanner called Minara. Now, what Minara does, it's a harmonic scanner. It's like almost having like a study buddy, right? So let's just say, you're watching TV, washing the dishes, and your computer's on, and you have it on that chart. You'll start seeing that chart light up. And when you see all these harmonic patterns light up, it'll draw your attention. It's like, hey, something's going on. Now you can look at other factors. Like, you know what? I really like this trade setup. Something that you would not have seen from your corner of your eye if that chart wasn't lighting up. So a lot of our people, they'll use the Minara trade scanner and they'll also trade on their robot account. Plus we have trade signals. We have stock options that are amazing. If you don't know what stock options is, absolutely will blow you away, especially the stats. I think somebody put the stats up here somewhere. I saw something. Let's see. Let's just go through that. Yeah. So look at the stock options right here. 25 wins, 1 no play, no losses. That's phenomenal. And then look, binary options. That's my personal favorite. I have the most fun with binary options, money in minutes. So look at this, 81% win rate. So, whatever thing you get from us, you'll win. Plutos, this is indices. We have an educator. He does indices, US 30, SPX, NAS. Look at this, 5 wins, 100%. The guy doesn't lose. I can't remember the last time he lost. You look at all of our services in general. I mean, just winning percentages all over the place. There's just pips flying. So, we have a lot of great products here. I've been in this company since the start, since before day one. I was here during the pre-launch. I was here before we even announced a pre-launch. So, I'm somebody that's been a product of the product for a long time. I can vouch and validate every single product that this company offers. And the stats are phenomenal. Leadership's phenomenal. This is the place to be. It's affordable. I believe that we are the best Forex network marketing company on the planet, bar none. There's some great ones out there. There's some trailblazers that open the door for us, but nobody can touch the products we have at the price point we have and the results that we have. They're on another level. So again, my name is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. If you want more information on Economy, just hit the link below. There's plenty of ways you can contact me. If you have some questions, go ahead and reach out. I'd be more than happy to help you get plugged in. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.